What the heck is going on?
This station is participating in the test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System.